Hi, we're Big Wise dietitians Carrie
and Andrea. You know how delicious tea is to drink.
But have you ever cooked with it?
Watch as we show you how.
Tea Guys Pomegranate, Pear, and Ginger Oatmeal. Place 1/2 cup oats and 1 cup low-fat milk in a microwave-safe bowl. Add 1 heaping tablespoon pomegranate, pear, and ginger tea. Stir to combine. Microwave mixture for 2 minutes or until oatmeal just begins to thicken. Stir oatmeal and enjoy.
Tea Guys Bergamot Vanilla Lavender Chicken. Steep bergamot vanilla lavender tea. Add tea, olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, salt, and pepper to plastic bag. Marinate chicken. To cook, remove chicken from marinade and pat dry. Coat with olive oil, herbes de Provence, salt, and pepper. Grill until cooked through and serve.
For these recipes and more,
visit bigy.com.